അപ്പോൾ ലാസ്റ്റ് നമ്മൾ കളിച്ചാണ്ട് ഓൾറെഡി ജസ്റ്റ് മൈൻഡ് ഒന്ന് ബ്ലാങ്ക് ഔട്ട് ആയിക്കാണ്ട് ഒരു ബ്ലാക്ക് സ്ക്രീൻ കാണിച്ച് അവിടെ വെച്ച് നമ്മൾ ഗെയിം പ്ലേ നിർത്തിയായിരുന്നു. നേരെ നമ്മുടെ വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് പോകാം. Again. Next nightmare. This guy's wife is pregnant.
Fucking kids.
Scars. രണ്ടാം ദിവസം വെച്ചാല് ഏലിയ മറ്റേ സോംബീസിനെ രക്ഷപ്പെട്ടിട്ട് ജെസ്സിനെ തപ്പിപ്പോണ്ട സമയം തോന്നുന്നു.
Shit. Need to get them out of there before it's too late. What the hell am I doing? They're fucking scars. I'm not falling. Okay. Fuck.
It was the apostate.
At least I know he's alive.
That child is an abomination.
What about their mother?
What? Malcolm! We're under fire!
സ്വന്തം വെപ്പണായിരുന്നു എനിക്ക് യൂസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ എങ്ങനെ നോക്കാനായിരുന്നു. ഞാൻ കുട്ടികളെ തപ്പിപ്പോവാം. ഒന്ന് ബെഡ് ചെയ്യാം. സം അപ്ഗ്രേഡ്സ്.
They're still there. kid? You still there?
Don't come any closer.
It's me. Sorry. How's she doing?
What she is doing?
I want to move your arm. Lean into me.
Where are you taking her?
Come on.
What are you doing?
I'm giving her a chance.
Owen! Owen!
Owen! Owen!
I'm here.
Owen! Wake up!
Those scars?
I need whatever medical supplies you have.
Scars.
Put the phone down, it's okay!
down.
Alex, shut up!
Alice,
Put the
stop.
phone down! Alex!
Lev, lower the bow. It's okay. Abby, who are these kids? They saved my life. Can you take a look at her? Stay, Alice. This is Yara. What did this? A hammer. It wasn't me. Let's lay her down. Can you feel this?
Can you feel it?
Yara.
Yara.
I was gonna
No.
clean it and try resetting.
The bone's shattered. She has compartment syndrome. What does that mean?
It means it has to come off.
She's a soldier. You can't take her arm.
We leave it, it'll turn gangrenous.
Just make it stop hurting. Please.
What do you need?
Ideally, a saw, sutures, clamps, antibiotics. But we're far from ideal right now.
We have knives, fire. Cut and cauterize it.
She would die from infection. Make me a list. I'll go to the hospital, get
It'll
whatever
take
you
you
need.
all day to get there.
I don't mind.
It's not about you, Abby. She doesn't have a couple of days. What if I can get you there in 2 hours? The Wolf Hospital,
2
right?
മണിക്കൂറാണ് അവിടെ എത്തിച്ചത്.
On the west side?
How?
We built bridges high up. It's how we get around the flooding and you people.
Can't you handle 2 hours?
Probably, yeah.
So make the list.
Probably, yeah.
Wait. Are you serious? These bridges are used by scars.
They only send in small groups at a time.
You heard that? Small groups.
This isn't a joke.
It's not a joke.
Lev?
Love.
May she guide you.
May she protect you.
Abby. Abby. Hey,
What?
will you... Did you steal my keys?
Sorry.
Can I talk to you?
Talk?
Why are you doing this? Look, she just showed up.
I'll
think she knows about last night?
I don't care about last night.
Well, I do.
Well, I do.
Which one?
Hope you know what you're doing.
Your friends are wolves too?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We were lucky Mel was there. She's one of the best
നമ്മൾ
surgeons in
മറ്റോളെ
town.
രക്ഷിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി യാരനെ രക്ഷിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് സപ്ലൈസ് എടുക്കാൻ പോയിക്കൊടുക്കുകയാണ്
What's his name?
ഹോസ്പിറ്റലിലേക്ക്. നോർമലി പോകാൻ തന്നെ 2 ദിവസം എടുക്കുമെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു. അപ്പോൾ
How do we get to
ലീവ് പറഞ്ഞു 2 മണിക്കൂർ കൊണ്ട് അവിടെ ഞാൻ എത്തിച്ചേരാൻ പറഞ്ഞു.
Toward downtown.
അപ്പോൾ നേരെ സാധനം എടുക്കാൻ പോയി കൊടുക്കുക.
Russian water? You get us there, and I can take over.
These bridges are really gonna get us over the rapids?
Yeah.
All of them?
Yes.
In just a couple hours?
I'm not lying.
Okay.
Wolf, there it is. That's the building we need to get to.
Okay, I see it.
What happens if we can't get the stuff your friend needs?
She'll have to try to do the surgery with what Owen has around. Keep out of the water. These rapids will rip you away.
I know.
You know how to swim, right?
Yeah, but I'm not gonna fall in.
I like that confidence. Let's see if we can get to the top of this building. You've been to these sky bridges before, right?
Yeah.
You think we're gonna see a lot of scars?
Seraphites. I don't know.
You gonna be okay if we do?
I was yesterday.
Those guys were hunting you.
They're all hunting us.
അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഹൈറ്റിലേക്ക് പോയിക്കൊടുക്കുകയാണ്. ഹൈറ്റ് പേടിയുള്ള ആളെ വെച്ച് കണ്ട് കാം.
You okay?
I'm fine.
എന്നാലും എന്തിനേക്കാരം ഒരു ഹണ്ട് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്?
Getting closer to your tall building. We're gonna have to do a little zigzagging. How long have you two been on the run for?
2 days.
Where were you headed?
I don't know. Just
ഇൻഫെക്റ്റഡ്.
So you're gonna tell me the real reason why they're after you now?
I did.
They want to kill a little boy because he shaved his head.
I wasn't allowed. It's a rule. I broke it.
Jeez. So why'd you do it?
I don't know.
ഒരു തല ഷേവ് ചെയ്തതിനാണ് ഒരു ഹണ്ട് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത് എന്നൊക്കെ പറയുന്നത്. Come on, babes. No, 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 no.
You okay?
Yes.
Full of blood. Done. Crafting.
Why?
Curious.
I don't know.
എത്ര സ്കാർസിനെ കൊന്നു ചോദിച്ചു ഓൾക്കറിയാമോ Liv, come on. കേറേ
Damn it. I don't know.
Isn't he a wolf?
There are thousands of us. Do you know every scar?
Stop calling us scars.
Sure.
Just jump. അടിക്കോ മണ്ടിക്കോ ഓടിക്കോ
This is where we're supposed to be?
Yeah. This building will take us to the building next door.
What the fuck?
നമ്മൾ ചാടിയ എന്തായാലും ചാവും പെട്ടിയാകും നമുക്ക് റിസ്ക് എടുക്കാൻ വെച്ചാൽ
I had a cousin who was afraid of heights.
Good for your cousin. Okay.
Two guns.
Here we are. Follow me.
How much higher are we going?
We're gonna be okay.
It's a lot, isn't it?
Yes.
Show off.
It's
not that
hard.
Uh-huh.
അപ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ വീഡിയോ ഇവിടെ ചേർത്താണ് അടുത്ത വീഡിയോ കാണുന്നവർക്കും ബൈ
Wolves
all of
never
you.
look up.